Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. I hope everybody's enjoying the sun. This is 1 cup of gram sugar going into a pan which is on a moderate heat. I've got half a cup of water or 120 millilitres. I'm making a basic caramel sauce, homemade, but you must make sure that you keep the pan on a gentle simmer. You don't want it to kind of bubble too quick, if that's making sense. Certainly don't boil it, otherwise it'll catch, but that's what's happening here. That's a sort almost ready, but it's not quite. It needs to be more golden than that, as golden as possible, before you add in 120 millilitres or half a cup of warm milk. It froths up when you first put it in, and apologies I forgot to film the step, but you've got 1 tablespoon of butter going into the caramel mixture, and what that does is it emulsifies it and makes it smoother. I did add a little bit, or half a teaspoon of pectin if you have it, to thicken it up a little bit, because mine wasn't the best, if I'm honest with you, but that's what you'll get. The taiyaki pan winner is Satish Gandhi. So thank you very much indeed to all my subscribers, and there will be a prize once I reach 2,000 subscribers, which is my goal, and I will be giving away another freebie when I reach that step. Okay, so I've got a ready-made roll of a sheet of puff pastry ready-made. And the caramel mixture you just need to put on randomly. I'm not thinking about what I'm doing, I just got on with it, you know what I mean, and then spread it on. Okay, so I sliced up a ripe banana. It needs to be ripe because otherwise it'll be quite hard and tough, and you want it to kind of caramelise with the caramel which is in there. I'm neatly folding over the edge of it, steady away, not looking for anything perfect, just anything. I think cooking is to be enjoyed. I don't think it's something that has to be perfect every single time. That's my ethos anyway. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I was just enjoying making something that I developed and just thought I'd like to share it with all of you, to my audience, and to probably my new audience in the future. Okay, a sharp knife is required to slice it down the middle. And this is where I'm going to make sort of like a rough twist. Not looking for anything special. Just going with the flow. And I think sometimes cooking can be a little bit like that. It can be quite methodical, it can be a nice way to relax, and as you can see I'm just twisting it over itself like that. There you go. Nothing spectacular. Tight if you wish, doesn't make any difference, it's just a basic twist. Okay, and then roll it back on itself. I thought I'm just going to roll it around on itself and create a nice neatish tuck. And then I put it onto a baking tray with greaseproof paper. I baked it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes, but keep an eye on it. I'm dusting some icing sugar on top just for presentation purposes. It kind of doesn't really enhance the flavour, but it just makes it look pretty. And the end result is a nice crispy puff pastry twist. Enjoy.